Welcome back guys to another great tutorial video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to create a custom subscribe YouTube link. Now, and oftentimes you'll find that you'll send someone a YouTube link and then it goes straight to your channel, but it doesn't allow them to subscribe. So today I'm going to show you how to create that subscription link. And while we jump on this computer here, you'll see that I've already got my subscription or my channel name as a link, right? And so when you click that link, it takes you or redirect you straight from the link to my channel page, but it doesn't allow a person to subscribe, right? Which is a little bit of a challenge. So I wonder if I can be able to switch accounts here. Give me a second. Let me switch to my Let's Make Progress account just to show you guys a practical way of how you can create your own subscribe link. So because I've subscribed, I'm going to unsubscribe, right? And what I'll do is I'll share with you the code that you need in order to be able to make your link go straight to the subscribe. And all you have to do, if I remove this, is add this at the end of your YouTube channel name. Is this question mark sub underscore confirmation equals 1. Now again, the code will be in the description so make sure to check that out. So for example, when I click on this link now, it'll take me straight to that channel and it'll ask me if I want to subscribe. Just like that. I was a little bit worried there, but there it is. And this allows the people who you want to subscribe from your link to opt in for a confirmation, and it'll ask you, are you sure you want to subscribe to Lebo Matupa? You click on that link and it's as easy as that. So I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial. I hope that you find great value of it, and if you do, please make sure to drop a comment and let me know if that works for you. And up until the next video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I'll catch you guys on the next tutorial.